Most home service businesses are burning money every single day without realizing it. Why? Because the way they generate and follow up with leads is slow, inefficient, and outdated. Let me ask you something. Have you ever had a lead fill out the form but never answer your call? Or worse, they say they're interested, but when you follow up, they ghost you? If that's happened to you, drop a comment below. Tell me, how many leads do you think you have lost because of this? It's a real problem, and most roofing, solar, HVAC and construction businesses are losing thousands every month because of how they handle leads. And the craziest part? It's not because they aren't getting enough leads, it's because they aren't converting the ones they already have. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly why this happens and how we built an AI-powered lead generation system that completely fixes this problem. And if you stick around until the end, I even show you how you can try it out for free. So let's dive in. Why most businesses are losing leads? Here's the harsh reality. Speed kills deals. If you don't respond to a lead within 5 minutes, your chances of closing them drop by 80%. Respond in an hour, you already lost them. Wait until the next day, they've booked with your competitor. Be honest, how fast are you really responding to leads right now? Now, let's talk about what happens after the first call. Manual work slows you down. Your team spends hours every day calling leads, leaving voicemails, and sending follow-ups. And guess what? Most of those leads never respond. That's wasted time, wasted payroll, and wasted ad spend. But it's even worse. Bad lead quality. If you're running Facebook, Google, or TikTok ads, at least 50% of those leads are not serious buyers. And you don't realize it until your team wastes time calling them. Sounds frustrating, right? But what if I told you there's a way to fix all of this automatically without hiring more staff and without increasing your ad spend? That's exactly what my AI system does. Now imagine this. A lead fills out the form on Facebook, Google or your website, and within a second an AI caller instantly dials them, pre-qualifies them and books them into your calendar. If they don't pick up, the system follows up via calls, text and emails until they respond. Every lead that lands in your CRM is pre-qualified, so you're only talking to serious buyers. And the best part? This all happens on autopilot. No more chasing leads, no more wasted calls, and no more slow follow-ups. So here's how it works step by step. Step 1 is AI-generated leads. Our system runs AI-optimized UGC ads on platforms like Meta, so it's Facebook and Instagram. The AI dynamically adjusts targeting in real time to find the best prospects. That means no more wasted money on tire kickers, only serious buyers. Step 2 is AI caller. The second a lead fill out the form, the AI caller calls them instantly. No delays, no waiting, because speed is everything. The AI pre-qualifies them on the call and either books them into your calendar or filters them out because they are not good client for you. Step 3 is automated follow-ups. If the lead doesn't answer, the system follow-ups immediately via text, email and voicemail drops. It nurtures lead for days, weeks, even months, until they say yes. This alone increases conversion rate by up to 300%. And the last step is the AI sales support. The AI provides your team with a proven data backend sales script. It even analyzes conversation and gives real-time feedback to help increase your closing rate. This system runs 24/7, works while you sleep. It's like hiring a full-time sales team without paying salaries. I know what you're thinking. Will AI sound robotic? No, this AI sounds natural, human-like and conversational like a real sales rep. Now let's talk about ROI. Here's what a typical business looks like before using this AI system. 50 leads per month, $22 per lead, 12 hours per day on follow-ups, missed calls, no shows, and lost deal. And now, here's what happens after implementing this AI system. 150 leads per month, $8 per lead, no hours per day on follow-ups, higher closing rates, more revenue and less stress. It's a 150% more leads, 62% lower cost and 100% less time invested. This is not the future, this is happening right now. Now, if you are still watching, you're probably thinking, this sounds amazing, but does it really work for my business? So here's what I'm doing. I'm offering 5 businesses a free 2-week trial of this AI lead generation system. Why? Because I want to see real success stories. If you are in solar, roofing, HVAC or home services and want to see how this system can transform your lead generation, click the link in the description to book a free implementation call with me. We'll go over exactly how this system works, how it fits into your business, and how you can start seeing results without lifting a finger. But I'm only doing this for 5 businesses, so act fast. Click the link below, book your call, and let's start closing more deals without working harder.